Wikipedia, so it's spell coming and you know, sometimes I back at the class, sometimes I middle of the class, sometimes I front of the class. You know, with everything, even though it's seriousness, I have to put like a humor night, right? So anyways, anybody sending you any link on WhatsApp telling you to join a church, and they must send you a Zoom link, and then they must tell you if you send back the code, any link at all, please, oh, I spell it right. As somebody said, don't? Yeah. Please, any link at all that they tell you that you should press on the link in WhatsApp, even though it's WhatsApp, it's not safe. About an hour ago or an hour and a half ago, my friend lose his page. So may I beg on please, the awareness is very important for my people them. Them a hack WhatsApp page now. Now the man WhatsApp gone. He have no contact. That's another part we're disturbing. The disturbing part about it is that them a message the people them in them WhatsApp contact and I tell them to send them money. So not only them hack the page and thief the page, but now them a try to scam the people them where him associate with in them WhatsApp, say to send money. So people, me a beg you now, screen record this, do whatever I have to do. At least 66%, 70% is aware of it now, what's going on. They're acting WhatsApp page. My friend Gems, that own Gems Restaurant and Gems Meat, them hack him WhatsApp page about an hour or an hour and a half ago. So, what they did, them send him a link, say, them invite him to a church. And when them send him the link, them tell him to press on the link and send them back the code. And the moment him send back the code, them radam him. WhatsApp page gone. But as me say, that is not the only part that is upsetting. Is the devil man. Then a revelation we live in a Fiji. But that's not the upsetting part. The part is that they're sending text messages to people asking them to send money. So any message you get from Gems Jerk, Gems Meat, Gems up at 30 Kennedy Road South, and all them other locations them, any message you get say him a beg money, not no go so. Any message you get on a WhatsApp say people are sending a link, tell them to go to hell. Yesterday or the day before, one guy sent me one link for some Bitcoin something. I say, sir, leave me alone because I never have money to spend much as money for you to come rob. And the way my voice note was, me and him start converse. But one thing I never did, I never press